If I think these things, so I would not be learn. But I said my mind, I can do everything, whatever I want, and I can do. And if I talk about my channel, it is not growing. But why I am working on it? Because I made my mind, I can do everything, whatever I want. I made my mind. Book. But I read this book. That's why I knew about it. And if you are thinking in your mind, I can't understand and I would be not fluent in English and I would not do this work, your subconscious mind would collect it. Then after that, it would provide you this type of facilities. Like you are thinking now, I can do it, I can do it. Like there is a question and you are solving it. And if you are thinking, I can't solve it, I can't solve it. Your sub So hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am creating a vlog and in this vlog I am going to tell you something about English journey. How to become fluent in English. If you have learned many rules, like you have completed your grammar, like you have learned many rules like do, does, has, have, but you can't speak English. What is the reason behind it? And you can understand English, but you can't speak. Do you know what is the reason behind it? If you don't practice, the reason is practice. If you don't practice, you can't be fluent in English. Like I'm learning a skills, black flip. I'm learning back flip. If I don't practice it, I can't do it, and I will not be able to do it properly. And if I would be practice daily basis, like if I will give 1 to 2 hours to it, I would be learn it properly. That's why I'm learning and I'm practicing it daily basis. And also learning spoken English. I'm practicing English with my friends. I made a group. If you don't have any partner, you may join it. You may contact to me. Nowadays, I have only few students. Like I have only 5 to 6 students there where we practice daily. And if you are curious and you want to improve your English and you want to be become fluent to English, you may contact me. And if I talk about how to become fluent in English, if you don't practice, suppose you don't have any partner, you may contact me. And if you have a big mirror, you can use it. You can stand in front of it, then you can you can be speak English properly. And if you think that how to manage myself and I don't have that much time, like you are busy in your time, like you are studying and you are preparing for some government exam, you are busy in that field. At that time, you must have a 1 hour. If you don't have 1 hour in a day, you can't be learn English. You can't. If you have 1 hour only or you have half hour, you may learn it. If you are practicing it, it's depend on time. If you are giving 2 to 3 hours in a day, you would be fluent 4 to 6 months easily. And if you are giving only 10 minutes and 30 minutes and 45 minutes, it would take time. It would take almost 1 hour something. And if you want to become fluent within month, you would have to give almost 4 to 6 months, 6 hours. When I started to learn it, at that time I gave almost 6 to 7 hours in my coaching center, and I used to practice there. There were many friends whom I used to practice, and that at that time I could not understand properly. Why? Because I did not know about English vocabulary, and why I was Hindi medium student. That's why I could not speak and I could not understand English. And then I worked on my vocabulary, and also as well as I was preparing for my exam also. At that time I was busy, my board, and I was going to give my board exam, and I had to work. I had to hard work there, and I made a copy at that time, and I used to learn many stories. There was a channel. The channel name was Hi-Fi English. I followed it a long time ago, but now I left it. And before days, I used to teach also story on my channel, and I had made a second YouTube channel. There was many videos I uploaded there, but I uploaded there many conversation videos. I took a subscription on English Yari, and there was available 8 session with month. Sorry, 1 month, and I gave almost 2,000 money, 2,000 rupees. And if you don't have that much money, I have opportunity, but at that time I did not have that much opportunity because I was not that kind of person, and I was not a good person that at that time. I discovered I confused at that time. What should I do? Because no one was with me and no one could tell me something like my parents, my brother, because even they haven't learned English and they don't know. They are literature. And my brother, he has passed his 12th also and he has qualified his MA. But I have fear related to his, because if I ask to something to him, he would be scold me. That's why I have fear. I afraid of my brother. But if I talk about other one, I may ask to my father, but my father is not educated person. That's why he said at that time I asked to him, what should I do, Papaji? Then my father said, whatever you want, you may do. And at that time I had asked my friends also, but they didn't tell me because they were not learning spoken English at that time. And at that time I had not that much friend. I had almost 2 to 3 friends at that time, but they were not learning spoken English and they couldn't speak and they didn't, because they were preparing for their other exam. And one of my friend is preparing for uh, IIT exam, IIT JEE, but he didn't learn spoken English. And my second friend, he is preparing for BTech, but he didn't learn spoken English. I said him, because we all were Hindi medium student and we couldn't speak English properly and we couldn't understand English. That's why. And when they took admission in their coaching center, and one of my friend who is preparing for IIT, he took a subscription in Akash in Delhi, and he went there and he said me, I couldn't understand properly. He said me, why? Because he was Hindi medium student. I also, but he took a subscription in English medium. At that time, I thought that if I did not learn spoken English, I would have to face many facilities in future. That's why I took subscription and I used to learn spoken English. And if I talk about my second friend, he can't understand now. He is pursuing BTech in Meerut. And day before yesterday, he met me. I said many things to him and I asked many things. I asked to him, can you understand easily? He said me, I can't understand properly because I was Hindi medium student. That's why. That was the reason behind that. And if you are thinking now, we would learn English in future. You can't be learned. You can't. If you want to learn it, you must aware about it now. You must follow these things now. And if you don't have any partner, and if you want to have many grammatical knowledge, like you want to have, have, had, and want, and did, where do we use it? I may tell you, but you have to comment on my comment box. Then I would tell you. You have to work it. If you don't think that I would be one of my friend, he met me in Badot when I joined a coaching center in related to English at that time. And he said me, I could not understand English. And he said me, I will not be able to speak English properly in future. At that time, I said him related to the subconscious mind book, because I did it. I read it. Then I told him related to that book, you must have read this book. You should read it. Then he replied me, okay. Then I told many things related to that book, but I think he did not learn and he did not read that book. But I read this book. That's why I knew about it. And if you are thinking in your mind, I can't understand and I would be not fluent in English and I would not do this work, your subconscious mind would collect it. Then after that, it would provide you this type of facilities. Like you are thinking now, I can do it. Like there is a question and you are solving it. And if you are thinking, I can't solve it, your subconscious mind would automatically affect you. It would say you can't solve it. And if you are thinking, I can solve it, but you can't solve it, but you are saying in your mind, I can solve it. Your subconscious mind would provide you this type of facilities. You can do this type of things. You must say your mind daily basis 2 to 3 times. I can do what you are doing. Like I'm learning a skill. I would add that video in this video. And if I say my mind, I can't do because this is very hard, and I have to face many problems like my hands and my legs. There would be some pain. If I think these things, so I would not be learn. But I said my mind, I can do everything, whatever I want, and I can do. And if I talk about my channel, it is not growing. But why I am working on it? Because I made my mind, I can do everything, whatever I want. I made my mind. And if you think that you can't learn, you may leave it. But the first opportunity, you have almost two opportunities. If you are preparing for an exam, you would have two. You would have two problems. First one is good, second one is bad. First one is you can do it. Second one is you can't do. And if you couldn't do it, and if you will not be able to do it, then you would have two opportunities. First one, your family member would marry you. Your family member make you marry. And second one is you would earn if you are a boy. They are emphasized. If you are a person in your family only, if you are a elder brother in your family, elder boy, your family member will emphasize you because my friend is facing this type of problem now because he is elder, all of them. He has two brothers, but he is elder to them. That's why his family member, sorry, they are emphasizing him. They are insisting to him. You should marry. And his mother said her, because I have to take rest. That's why we want to. And if he would marry, after that he would not be able to do something. Right? He would not be prepared some exam. He would not be able to clear his goal. He would not achieve it. As you know, many things. So let's finish this session. So I came here to tell you something about it. And I made this vlog because I thought that I should create a vlog in field and I should tell you about these things. That's why I am here and I sat here. And now I am not wearing my own clothes. Like I am not wearing my personal clothes where I use openly I wear all of them. I am wearing it or I am having it when I cut some sugar cane. And today I took a cane knife, but it out of order. It couldn't work properly. If I thought that I could not work, if I thought that I would not be able to cut some sugar cane, I would have to cut all of them tomorrow. That at that time I thought that I should have searched a second cane knife because my family member they hid it in that farm. Then I searched. At that time I had two point. First one was I left it. I may go to my home. Then after that I would take rest and I would study there. And second one was if I could not cut, if I don't cut, my family member they would say you must awake. Then they would say me you should come here in morning time. And at that time there is that much cold. And today also that much cold was today. So now I'm going to finish it. So if you liked this session and if you liked this vlog, must subscribe this channel and must like this video and must share it. It's depend on you. And if you are thinking we would not support you, it's depend on you. I have already told you. I'm creating a vlog and I will create it daily basis. But sometimes I leave. As you knew, if you are my old subscriber, you may see I took 2 days holiday because there was some problem. I was busy there. That's why.